Voila! Hola amigos, hola, I'm Ulysses Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Right now, let's make one brownie. Actually, I'm gonna make two. So I'm going to use those kind of ramicas, but if you have another, you can use it. Also, this recipe is for those. One tiny and the other one is for, this is for one baby. This is cute. I'm gonna tell you quickly about the ingredients. Himalayan salt. 1/8 teaspoon of Himalaya salt, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, also with baking soda, water, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, those are plant-based, agave, 2 tablespoons also, and cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder. This is 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. You can use only cocoa or cacao, but all is up to you. What else? The same portion with nut milk. Right now I'm gonna use nut milk, but if you don't have nut milk, you can use water. A half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 rameca. Right now I'm gonna use 2, 1 bowl, 1 whisk or I don't know, 1 spatula, and also you need a little butter because we're gonna spread a little butter, and also 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure it's melted. Right now I'm gonna show you. Actually, you don't want to see my coconut oil, but it's right here. Also, you need 1 oven roaster. So thank you for playing this video. I hope you stay until the end, and it's time to make it. The most delicioso brownie. For my brownie, I'm gonna put aside those ramicas and it just mix them together. That's it. Okay, flour, cocoa powder, cacao powder, Himalayan salt, baking soda. It's time to mix it a little bit. Just mix all together. Make sure that just give a quickly mixer. Okay. Chocolate chips, and it's time to add it. Vanilla, agave, and my nut milk. Just slowly. Actually, you make sure just use enough. Oh, I'm missing something. Because I'm gonna preheat my oven 300 to 350. So keep mixing your ingredients. Too dry. So do it slowly by slowly, please. I'm gonna do quickly. I'm gonna add it a little extra. So amigos, just make sure mix it very well. Please mix all together. Just make sure there is no any dry powder, any dry flour in there. Look at this mixture, it's so amazing. Actually, I'm gonna show you this too close. Look at this. Wow, looks so pretty. So the next step is butter. So amigos, little butter like this, like this, quickly, daddy. Please just add it just little, almost nothing. Would you like to see how much I added? Looks so shiny. Looks pretty. Look my eyes. Guess what? I didn't notice that I was missing my oil. So how you didn't say anything, just I added more more, not melt, but it's okay, never is enough. I almost missing my oil. Yeah? Tablespoon of oil. This is so pretty. What the hell is going so pretty? I'm gonna test it, actually. Who doesn't love that chocolate? So, amigos, then, right now I'm gonna preheat this. Fill your ramicas. There is good solution. If you don't know how to push down everything, look at this spoon. Wow, Ulysses. You are the best, Ulysses. Look at this, it's insane. Try to do it with love. Be careful, don't break this ceramic. Okay, amigos, is this optional? Just a little. Why not? If you want, this is optional. Is this butter? So play with your creativity. If you want, you can add something else. Actually, you can add it all on the toppings. So keep filling them, and then it's gonna be time for bake day. Amigos, keep filling your ramicas. Please keep filling your ramicas. Be patient all the time. Just spread very well all outside and push down, and everything is gonna be perfect. Just use enough. Don't make it too greasy. Don't use a lot butter. I don't recommend you that. Also, if you don't have butter, you can use oil, but I recommend you use coconut oil. Also, there is coconut oil in the mix, but if you wanna do something extra, I mean, when you're eating, try to eat all the sides. I mean, you know what I'm saying. So, amigos, so then preheat your oven. It's gonna take 8 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna check in my ice in there. Also, 8 to 10 minutes. 300. I'll be back. So, amigos, how to know when it's ready? Your delicioso brownie. So use one toothpick, and if it's dry, it's ready. If it's dry, if it's not, just leave it right there a couple more minutes. Also, when it's ready, just bring out and leave it cool a little bit. And after that, we can eat it. We can eat it. We can eat it. Be patient, amigos. Please be patient. Oh, I wanna eat them. Voila! Oh my gato. Amigos, did you see it's very easy to make one brownie? So any person can make one brownie. Also, try to use these methods and maybe works good on you. Also, just keep your eyes on. Just make sure don't burn it, and also bake them on the right time. So amigos, look at these brownies, so beautiful. So make sure make yours with love. Also keep your eyes on, make sure don't burn it. And also this is ready for added some coconut cream, maybe ice cream, nuts, I don't know, more chocolate, why not? Also marshmallow, that's a good option. So I hope you get this idea, and I hope you get the recipe. Thank you for playing this video. Also see you soon. Watch the other videos, there are good recipes. Watch my other videos, I recommend you that. if you love this recipe also. If you like this video, please give me one thumb up. I already appreciate it. And also, see you soon. I'm gonna keep looking my spoon and maybe my spatula. This is glory.